Very good morning, guys. Today we are going to start the second unit. So already we have completed first unit, understanding of cloud computing. Second unit, we are going to study about basic fundamental of Azure. So that is getting started with Azure. So in this unit, we are going to touch upon Azure basics, Azure portal, preview portal, management portal, subscription management, billing, pricing calculator, Azure virtual machines, virtual machine basics, status, IP address, creating and configuring virtual machines, configuring VM disk, virtual machine management. So these are all the topic we are going to cover in the second unit. Now we will move on to particular topics. Very good afternoon, guys. Today we are going to discuss about configuring VM disk virtual machine management. Configuring virtual machine disk virtual machine management using Azure. On this key Azure scenarios for small and mid-size customers. For example, data backup, disaster recovery, and deployment in virtual machines, host websites. In the just we have to take the data backup for provide easy scalable data backup services in the cloud. Offer peace of mind, that is a disaster recovery. Offer peace of mind with ongoing cloud based disaster recovery services. Quickly deployment in virtual machines. Quickly deploy and manage customer applications in the cloud. Next one is host websites. Grow your business helping customers move their host website on the cloud. And the next one is selling server backup in the cloud. Provide easy, affordable backup and achievable in the cloud. Sell a Microsoft Azure backup as an ongoing service with a recurring revenue stream. Quickly and easily provision more storage for your customers as needed. Very good morning, Bharati. A range of applications, for example, file servers, SQL server, etc. In the long term, retention to address legal discovery needs, encrypted backups and global geo-redundant data centers. No hardware and backup me and no restoration cost. Selling disaster recovery in the cloud. Here sell powerful, affordable and simple disaster recovery DR in the cloud. Offer your SMB customers peace of mind with cloud-based disaster recovery and use Azure as your DR site and leverage automated workload recovery. So earn recurring revenues by offering disaster recovery as a service. That is, we can say DR DRaaS in the sense disaster recovery as a service, DRaaS. So avoid the massive capital expense of building your own DR infrastructure. Provide site deployment in minutes, remote DR health monitoring, and customizable recovery plan. Deliver an initial DR plan and recovery offer ongoing testing and remote services. And storage, backup, and disaster recovery, how they work together. It's a very important storage, backup, disaster recovery. Get easy storage, for example, get easy economical storage that can scale as needed. Scale up or down easily to meet changing needs. Access your data from anywhere. Use with a choice of operating systems. Backup files, another one is a backup. Get fast, simple backup and an easy way to restore lost files. Backup files to a secondary location. Quickly restore files when accidentally deleted or host lost. Retain files and data for legal requirements. And disaster recovery, protect your servers and get your systems back online quickly. Keep a replica of the entire server infrastructure updated in near real time. Get applications and services backup and running in minutes. Hosting websites in the cloud, it's a very important slide. Just how we are going to hosting websites on the cloud. Grow your business helping customers move their websites to the cloud with Microsoft Azure. So every people we are thinking only the business, how we have to improve our business in the sense, so automatically we are moving to the sales. How we have to concentrate in the sales, there is a marketing side. Okay, it's a very important, it will play the vital role. Every people we are thinking only the business, automatically how we have to make it as a excellent profit in that particular year, particular quarter, particular off year, off yearly. So at the time only we are focusing these things, that is a mainly cloud area. So offer the peace of mind from hosting on a global network of Microsoft managed data centers. So in the leverage a fully managed cloud infrastructure that can scale as needed to support the largest peak loads. And manage your customers' websites using the same familiar tools across on-premises and cloud environments. So on-premises and both cloud environments, we have to use familiar tools. Okay, so we are focusing always the customer, or the maybe the end user. So in the end user side or customer side, maybe it's a user friendly, then only we can work on it. We can grow that level. We can grow that our product in the next level. So in the management consoles, always we are focusing where we have to start the finally get Azure. Just every link, every process, just I include the link. Just you click on the link and you can get more information. Okay, the finally get Azure and Azure Desktop Backup and Azure Backup for applications, creating an Azure DC and Azure Resource Manager basics, creating an Azure SMB file share, and introducing Microsoft Azure. So I actually around seven process I have mentioned in this slide, and all the 7 process already I gave the link also. I have mentioned the link also. If you click on the link, you can get more information regarding this one. So with this, I conclude this topic. Yeah, one more point is missing. Actually, here, yeah, blog and free SharePoint and training and free Office 365 Azure administration newsletter and free Office 365 Azure video tutorials, free documents, presentation, ebooks, Everything I have mentioned here, and even I have mentioned the link also. Everyone, you have to use the link and you can get more information. If you have any clarification at the same time, you can ask me, I will explain it. Okay. Thanks up to this discussion. If you have any query or any clarification or any doubt, you have to send the mail p.muttusamy@galgodia university.edu.in, or otherwise you have to make a call 97901 Thanks for listening. Thanks to all for listening this great class. Thanks to all. Have a great day.